Do your friend, they are helping you to move forward to your goal, or they're pulling you back down? They're asking you, let's go drink tonight. It's gonna be only one day. It's not gonna mess up your program. You're gonna be fine. It's gonna be one day. And they do this every day, every weekend. And you fall into that. Is that friend really want you to succeed? Think about it. Or that friend is only want you so you both can have fun, which is nothing wrong with it. I'm not saying that it's wrong, but it's contributing to your goal is my question. Is this person is asking you to stay and watch a movie and eat chips and say, oh, let's not go for a run, just stay here with me, let's talk about something. What do you think that friend is thinking about you, or he or she's thinking selfish about, I want company, somebody who actually stay with me down the bottom of the mountain. I don't want to go hike to the top of the mountain. I want to stay here and I want this person to stay with me.